Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss one of the problem from your non-profit organization, and the problem is preparation of income and expenditure account. Before solving the problem, we have to keep in mind all these instructions. Opening balance and closing balance are not going to be recorded in income and expenditure account. Assets are not recorded in income and expenditure account. Depreciation, only depreciation on assets are going to be recorded. Subscription, if it is current year, for the year, present year, outstanding is recorded. Previous year, last year, included, advance, next year or prepaid is going to be minus. If in a problem, depreciation on sports material, if opening balance, closing balance and purchases is given, then follow this formula. Let's see the problem. You will find this question on page number 127, question number 6. Yes, page number 127, question number 6. From the following receipts and payments account, prepare income and expenditure account of Sports Club Karimnagar. So, income and expenditure account of Karimnagar Sports Club for the year ended, no year is given. So, expenditure amount, income amount. On the payment side, the details has been given you. Before going to start the problem, the additional information mentioned here: capitalize 50% of the donation, legacies, entrance fees and life membership fees. So we have to go for the adjustment on it. Subscription still outstanding, one of the adjustment on subscription. Depreciation, depreciate sports material and furniture 10%. So we have to take into consideration the additional information, depreciation on sports material and furniture. On the payment side, it has given you land. Land is an asset, do not record. Buildings, asset is not recorded. Land is not recorded because assets are not recorded. Buildings are not recorded because building is an asset. Furniture is an asset, do not record furniture, but only depreciation on asset is recorded. So we are having depreciation on furniture, we have to record it. How much? 10%, 10,000, 10%. So to depreciation on furniture, how much? 10,000, 10%. 10,000 into 10%, which is nothing but 1,000. Sports material, 11,500 rupees is given. 10% depreciation we have to calculate. Again, to depreciation on sports material, 11,500 into 10%, which is nothing but 1,150 rupees. 10% on 11,500 into 10% depreciation on sports material. By sports expenditure 6,000, right here. To sports expenditure 6,000 is given. By general expenses, to general expenses, how much? 2,000 rupees is given. Buy magazines, 2 magazines, 2,000 rupees given on payment side. All the payments we have written on expenditure. Buy balance carried on. Opening balance, closing balance do not record. So closing balance we are not going to record here. On receipt side, all the receipts comes under income. Subscription, we are having one adjustment on it. To subscription, right here. Buy subscriptions 15,000. Now What is the subscription outstanding? 5,000 rupees. Add subscription outstanding, add subscription outstanding, add outstanding subscription. Outstanding subscription is 5,000. 15,000 plus 5,000, 20,000. We are having only one adjustment on subscription. Here on the receipt side, donations, 2 donations. While preparing income and expenditure account, actually we do not write the donations, but here 50% we have to take into consideration because it is mentioned in the question. So we have to capitalize half of the donation. Donation is 50,000, half of the donation. By donations, here 50,000, half 25,000. Next is legacies, 10,000. Half of 10,000 we have to write here. So 10,000 into half is nothing but 5,000. Next is entrance fee, 5,000. By entrance fee, 5,000 into half, 5,000 half, 2,500. Life membership fee, 3,000. By life membership fee, 3,000 into half, 1,500. Why we are writing all the half of the amounts? Because it is mentioned in the additional information. Now sports income, 17,000, no adjustment on it. By sports income, 17,000. Sundries is given 5,000. 2 sundries. By sundries, 5,000. Sale of old newspaper, 500. By sales of old newspaper, 500. That's all from your receipts. All the receipts we have extracted, while important instructions also we have taken to consideration. All the receipts here, all the payments here. So here, as you can see, 10% depreciation on furniture, 10,000 into 10%, 1,000, 11,500 into 10%, 1,150. Donation, half. Legacies, half. Entrance fees, half. Life membership, half. It is given in the question in the additional information. 50,000 half, 25,000. 10,000 half, 5,000. 5,000 half, 2,500. 3,000 half, 1,500 rupees. Here, if you go with the total of income, so 76,500 you will get. 76,500 is the total of income. Total of income is 76,500. 76,500 is the income. What about the total of expenditure? Total of expenditure is 12,150. 12,150 from income minus the expenditure. So you will come to know the answer, 64,350. 64,350. Your total of income 76,500. Total of expenditure 12,150. From income minus expenditure 64,350 is your surplus. So to surplus 64,350. 64,350, as in other words you can say excess of income over expenditure. Excess of income over expenditure 64,350. Hope you understood today's class. We'll continue in the next upcoming online classes. Thank you everyone.